Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox mesh generation error. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is check the mesh file. Make sure that your file is a valid OBJ file. The file should not be corrupted or incomplete, and re-export the mesh from your 3D software. The second thing you want to make sure is that you need to follow the Roblox mesh requirements. So triangle count should be 10,000 or less, file size should be 20 MBs or less, single mesh only and no multiple objects, no ngons or non-manifold geometry. The third thing you want to do is use correct scale and unit. Use real world scale. Apply scale by pressing Ctrl A if you're on Blender. Avoid extremely small or large meshes, and remove extra elements. Remove cameras, lights, empties, and helpers. Ensure only the mesh is exported and no texture is embedded. The other thing you want to do is check for non-manifold geometry. So fix holes, flipped normals, and intersecting faces. Use the 3D print tool to add on in Blender if you are using Blender. You can also triangulate the mesh. So triangulate all the faces before exporting. Simply go to Object, Convert to, and then triangulate. And also check your normals. So normals should face outwards. And you can also recalculate the normals in your 3D software. Update your software if you haven't already and try a different export. And that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll